Healthy evening snacks for kids. Building healthy meals pattern for kids start at home. You can do many things as a parent to encourage healthy eating. Even if your child does not try or like a food the first time you serve it, continue to offer those food at future meal or snack. Some kids may need to be exposed to a food 8 to 15 times before they decide to eat it. One of the best ways to encourage healthy eating is to offer a wide variety of nutrient-dense food at each meal and snack. Growing kids often get hungry between meals. Many packed snacks for kids may be unhealthy, full of added sugar and artificial ingredients. We start healthy eating snacks. Number 1, yogurt. Yogurt is an excellent snack for kids because it's a good source of protein and calcium. Calcium is especially important for kids developing bones. Some yogurt also contain live bacteria which benefit the digestive system. Most yogurts marketed to kids are high in sugar. Instead, choose plain full-fat yogurt and sweeten it with fresh fruit or dazzling of honey. Number 2, carrot sticks and hummus. Most kids love dip, and providing them with a healthy dip is a great way to get them to eat their veggies. Hummus is one option. It's thick, creamy spread made from chickpeas, which contain fiber, folate, and plenty of antioxidants. Hummus tastes yummy with carrot sticks or other raw vegetables. Number 3, popcorn. You may consider popcorn a junk food, but it's really nutritious whole grain. As long as you don't drown it in unhealthy topping, popcorn can be a healthy snack for kids. Air pop your own popcorn. Dazzle it with a little butter and sprinkle some grated Parmesan cheese on top. However, use caution when offering popcorn to younger child as it can be a shocking hazard. Number 4, celery with peanut butter and raisin. Sometimes called ants on a log is a fun way to get your child to eat vegetable. Cut a stalk of celery into 3 or 4 pieces. Try carrot sticks, sliced apple, or even sliced green bell pepper. Spread peanut butter inside the celery and arrange a few raisins on top of the peanut butter. These 3 foods combined provide a good balance of carb, protein, and fat. Just be sure to buy peanut butter without added sugar or vegetable oil. Number 4, nuts. Nuts are high in source healthy fats along with fiber and antioxidant. Dietary fats is important for supporting growing in children. Doctor was thought withholding nuts from children might reduce the risk of an allergic reaction, but more recently doctor recommended introducing nuts at an early age lower this risk. Make sure your child is able to handle the texture before giving nuts as a snack. Number 5, trail mix. As long as your child is not allergic to nuts, trail mix is a healthy snack for kids to eat on the go. Most commercial trail mix contain chocolates, candies which are high in sugar, but you can easily make your own at home. For a healthier version, mix nut, dried fruits, and whole grain cereals. Number 6, sliced pear with ricotta cheese. Pears are a sweet treat and easy for a little one to eat when they are cut into slices. Pears are high in fiber and beneficial plant compounds. Spread each slice with ricotta cheese to add a yummy source of protein and calcium to your child's snack. Number 7, oatmeal. Oatmeal is a healthy breakfast for kids but also make a great snack. Oats are high in soluble fiber which increase the source of beneficial bacteria in the digestive tract along with other healthy benefits. Skip flavored packets which are high in sugar and make sure your oatmeal will hold rolled oats and add about 1 over 8 teaspoons of cinnamon and some diced apple for sweetness. If you make the oatmeal with milk instead of water, it will add some additional protein and calcium. Number 8, veggie pita pockets. Some parents think it's hard to get their kids to eat vegetables, but if you make it fun for them, they are more likely to try the veggies. Spread some hummus in whole wheat pita pocket and slice up raw veggies such as carrot, cucumber, lettuce, and bell pepper. Let your child pick a few veggies and fill the pita. Veggies are loaded with important vitamins and minerals, and many kids don't eat enough of them. Number 9. Boiled eggs. Keep hard-boiled egg in a refrigerator for a quick high-protein treat. Eggs are high in nutrients and an excellent snack for kids. Among the many healthy benefits of eggs are high-quality protein and several vitamins and minerals, including vitamin B12, riboflavin, and selenium. They are contain lutein and zeaxanthin, two carotenoids that are beneficial for eye health. Furthermore, they are one of the best food source of choline, a vitamin that necessary for proper brain development. Number 10. Fruit smoothie. A fruit smoothie is a good way to pack a lot of nutrients into a small snack. You can also add veggies to a smoothie with the sweetness of the fruit. Your kid may not even realize they are in there. Use whole fresh ingredient and avoid fruit juice, which is high in sugar. There are countless combinations you can try. Number 11. Raisins snack packs. Raisins are dried grapes. They have nearly all of the nutrients found in fresh grapes, but in a small package. Raisins contain a decent amount of iron, a nutrient that many children don't get enough of and which is needed to transport oxygen throughout your body. Raisin snack packs are an easy grab and go snack that much healthier than most convenience food. Number 12. Baked sweet potatoes fries. Sweet potatoes are one of the richest source of beta carotene, a nutrient that can be converted into vitamin A by your body. It contributes to healthy eye and skin. Homemade baked sweet potato fries are a nutrient alternative to French fries. Sweet potatoes fries ingredients: 1 fresh sweet potato, 1 teaspoon 5 ml of olive oil, sea salt. Direction: peel and slice the sweet potato, toast the potatoes in olive oil, sprinkle it with sea salt, baked on a cookie sheet at 425 Fahrenheit for 20 minutes. Number 13. Energy balls. Energy balls taste like cookies dough but are made with nutritious whole ingredients. You can make these snack with either ground flax or whole chia seeds, both source of fiber, protein, and antioxidant. They are a healthier alternative to commercially granola bars, which are usually high in sugar and artificial ingredients. Energy balls ingredients: 1 cup of oats, 1/3 cup of unfiltered honey, 1.5 cup of almond butter, 1.5 cup of ground flax seeds or whole chia seeds, 1 teaspoon of vanilla, and 1.5 cup of dried fruits. Mix all the ingredients in a large bowl. Roll the mixture into a small bowl. For a treat, replace the dried fruits with chopped dark chocolate chips. Number 14. Cottage cheese. Cottage cheese is a fresh and creamy cheese that's soft enough for every infant to eat. It's rich in protein and a good source of selenium, vitamin B12, and calcium. Vitamin B12 is important for proper growth and brain development. You can serve cottage cheese by itself, top it with fresh or dried fruit, or use it as a creamy spread on whole wheat toast. Number 15. A piece of fruit. A piece of fruit is a convenient and healthy snack for kids. Most fruit contain fiber and important nutrients like potassium and vitamins A and C. Banana, apples, pears, grapes, peaches, and plums are examples of fruits that can be used for grab and go snacks. Cut fruit like pineapple and mango into a bite-sized pieces and store them in a small containers for convenient snack. Offer your kids whole unprocessed food at snack time instead of pre-packed snack food. What are most healthy snacks to eat? Easy snack to make at home. Write some food items that keep you healthy. Remember, kids often mimic what they see. So if you make healthy eating fun and accessible, they will be more likely to follow suit.